sing a song for me? Two lines. Two lines.
Lines. जब हम जवान होंगे जाने कहाँ होगा. Old song, I say old song. I like.
Yes, four lines. Four lines. Please. Four lines. Yes.
जब हम जवान होंगे जाने कहाँ होंगे लेकिन जहाँ होंगे वहाँ तुम याद करेंगे.
Very nice.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Dinesh. Today I want to say tell me daily routine, my daily routine. First of all, I get up 4 o'clock in the morning. Get up morning is a good habit. Good health.
Put your hands forward. Yes. Explain us your daily routine in a proper manner. Yes.
After then, I wash my face and I take tapping water and I go to freshen up.
You go to freshen up. Okay.
Yes. After then, I go to playground.
Do you play games?
Yes. No. I do running.
You do running.
And after 20 minutes, then I go to gym.
I go to gym.
Yes.
I go to gym. Yes. Explain with your hands. Yes.
I go to gym.
Yes.
And I do exercise.
You do exercise.
Okay. For an hour.
You lift weight.
I lift weight. I lift dumbbells. I do push-up and pull-ups.
Okay.
Any other exercise?
What is your favorite exercise?
Pull-up.
Pull-up. It's your favorite exercise?
Yes. But time by 25 numbers of pull-ups.
25?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, that's great. It looks like bodybuilder. Right?
And my gym environment is very good.
Okay.
And
where is your gym?
Army and gym.
It's in Behror.
Yeah. And last I take a black coffee and I come back my home.
You take black coffee in gym?
In gym. This coffee is provided by my gym.
Oh, that's very nice. It is without cost or
Without cost, including fees.
fee? Included in fee.
Including.
So you daily get one coffee?
Yeah.
Black coffee.
Without sugar, without milk.
Oh, without sugar and without milk. That's very nice.
And I come back home, then I bath.
Okay, you take bath. Okay.
I take bath and I dress up and I take a breakfast, healthy breakfast.
Okay, what do you eat in breakfast?
In breakfast, pohe
You eat
and
poha.
omelets
Okay.
and rich protein like
Okay. Which protein you take?
sprouts.
Sprouts.
Yeah.
That's nice.
And then I go to my shop. I do my business.
Okay.
And 2 p.m. I come back my home and I take lunch.
What is your favorite in lunch?
Lunch, chawal, dal, rice, or dal and chapati.
Chapati is your favorite. Okay. That's nice.
Salad.
Okay, salad. Green salad.
Green salad.
Okay.
First I take green salad and then I take breakfast.
Then after you take lunch.
I take lunch.
First you take green salad and then you take lunch. That's nice.
After that, I take some rest and after that, I come back I go to my shop and I do my business again. And 4:30, I come here.
Come here for learning English.
I have to go learn English and come back my business shop. Come back my shop and I do business. And 7 p.m. at go for stroll.
Go for stroll.
And come back and take dinner. And sometime I sing a song.
You sing song?
This singing song is my hobby.
Oh, very nice. Can you sing a song for me? Two lines.
Lines. जब हम जवान होंगे जाने कहाँ होगा. Old song, I sing old song. I like.
Yes, four lines, please. 4 lines.
जब हम जवां होंगे जाने कहाँ होंगे, लेकिन जहाँ होंगे वहाँ तुम याद
अरे
करेंगे।
वाह, ब्रेक है, सर, क्या